how to set up secondary user on Capital One app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to set up secondary user on Capital One. Now, setting up a secondary user referred to by Capital One as an authorized user can be done directly through the Capital One mobile app or online. First of all, you want to log into your Capital One mobile banking app, and next you just want to make sure to select your credit card from the account dashboard. After which you want to tap on View All, navigate to Account Service and Settings from the list. As you go to this section, you want to select Manage Authorized Account User or Add Account User. There you want to enter the required information for the new user, which includes their full name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. After which you want to review and submit the request. Once submitted, the user or a new user will receive an email to complete their registrations. And this way you'll be able to set up secondary user on Capital One app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.